How to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Mac. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Wi-Fi icon on the top of your screen and further tap on the Network Preferences option and further tap on the Advanced option you see there. You will then be led to a new window. In here, you will see the option for proxies on the top toolbar. Tap on that. Make sure all these options are unchecked, and if some option is selected, then go ahead and unselect the option. Next, go ahead and forget the network that you are currently connected to and rejoin to the network again. To disconnect, tap on Advanced option again and select the network you are connected to and tap on the minus icon to remove the network. Once removed, go ahead and rejoin the network and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, try to restart your device as restarting the device fixes majority of issues on your device. So, this is how you can fix Wi-Fi not showing up on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.